I love the tours because I get to meet new students and engage with them. So the VIP program is like getting a tour guide and it's your first time around UT Tyler, you're gonna be talking to me. When I first got here, I didn't know a soul here. I had gained a friend in one of my classes that was in a fraternity and I got interested and I joined, and once I joined, it kind of was like the best thing that happened to me so far in UT Tyler. And in order from like doing things to do, to helping my community, to getting me more involved in my campus, it just did a lot. It's really more like the people in the community I'm around is way much different from Austin and that whole group. And moving out of that, I wouldn't say negative environment, but it was negative for me. And moving out of that negative place and coming here was a lot better. So UT Tyler definitely has impacted me because I definitely was a different person in high school, like a very complete different person. And I feel like Tyler has really made me out to be a person I want to be, yeah.